Tehillim 6. For the chief musician, on stringed instruments, upon the 8-stringed lyre. A psalm by David. Yahuwah, don't rebuke me in your anger, neither discipline me in your wrath. Have mercy on me, Yahuwah, for I am faint. Yahuwah, heal me, for my bones are troubled. My soul is also in great anguish. But you, Yahuwah, how long? Return, Yahuwah, deliver my soul, and save me for your chesed's sake. For in death there is no memory of you. In Sheol, who shall give you thanks? I am weary with my groaning. Every night I flood my bed, I drench my couch with my tears. My eye wastes away because of grief. It grows old because of all my adversaries. Depart from me, all you workers of iniquity, for Yahuwah has heard the voice of my weeping. Yahuwah has heard my supplication. Yahuwah accepts my prayer. May all my enemies be ashamed and dismayed. They shall turn back. They shall be disgraced suddenly.